Welcome back to my channel. This time I'm going to do something non-wood turning. I have made a few bird houses, or bird feeders I should say, sorry. And I had to adjust my last bird feeder because the bloody pigeons were massacring it, and the little birds that I wanted in the garden weren't getting a chance. So I shortened it. This is from a design I downloaded off the internet years ago. I modified it so that how I wanted to make it, and now my sister wants one for her garden. So this will be my next project, so hopefully you enjoy it and stay with me. Thanks very much for watching. This is all the wood I will be needing. It is all broken out from pallets over a period of time. I don't know about you, but I like to recycle as much as possible and reuse. As it is, it won't have much of a shelf life on it, but I use this stuff and it lasts forever. It is really good stuff. Can't recommend it highly enough. It works a treat. So that's where we are with it. Some of the stuff is just edge jointed, not a very good match. Some is obviously a bit thicker. Some of it is not bad as a joint, but it will all be jointed together, and you won't know, you won't be able to see the joint, as Eric and Ernie used to say.
I decided that you didn't need to see me cut square or normal shapes of wood out. We've all seen that before. So I'm just showing the odd shapes and how I chose to do them.
I'm gonna plug these nail holes through both sides, unfortunately, I made a load of dowels, different sizes, different woods, so I'm going to just cut some up and plug them and then glue them in, and then I'll come back to them tomorrow.
Some of the dowel stock I had was slightly oversized, so I'm just using a homemade plate to make them the correct size. These are plastic caps that hide stroke protect the screw from the weather, just slightly anyway. This is my method for cutting perspex to stop the edges chipping out on the table saw. I finally realised that I'd been using the wrong stain, so it was a case of painting the whole feeder again, but at least it got 2 coats.
Okay, so we've got to the end of this. I'm not a great fan of glue, that's why I tend to use screws. But yeah, comes off. So magnets on the inside there. Clips on. Very good. Hopefully my little sis will be happy with that for her birthday. So we'll wait and see. Thanks very much for watching. Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Please tick the like button if you enjoyed and consider subscribing if you haven't already. And to my subscribers, a big thank you for your support. Hope to see you soon on the next one. Cheers, Jeff.